Huh. I don't even know where I'm at this time. Yeah, like, why would you let that thing loose?
It was wiggling. I was trying to get loose anyway.
No, it wasn't. It had been sitting there the entire time.
It totally was gonna get loose.
Nah.
I'm just gonna run away.
He's still moving, and he's still trying to eat us.
It's fine.
Oh, Callie, I was just about to save you.
No.
Come here, giant monster. Come here, boy.
Guys,
You're gonna fight him again?
I'm running away.
Yeah, I'm not. I ain't doing this.
Eventually,
Also, the
it
sun
will
is gonna
die.
set soon, guys. We don't have
I'm
to
going.
stay.
We all got split up. Oh, never
Yes,
mind.
we do. Kelvin made a shelter.
Oh,
What is that scream?
That thing is just one shot.
It does.
Yeah.
Hey, killed it. Cool.
Okay,
Thanks,
I'm
guys.
just gonna come over here, pick up this bag, and run.
Yeah, definitely, because he's...
But what if it follows us?
Oh, don't put
then
that
we kill it
voodoo
as it
on
tries
us.
to follow us, but right now, we just try to get away. Oh, come on. Leave me alone. I don't want anything to do with you.
Where's home?
Where is he? Where is he, this monster? I can't even see him.
He left. He got bored.
No, I think he's eating that over there.
Hey, yeah, there he is.
Terrifying.
Okay, follow
Hear
my
screaming to the distance.
Oh, I'm dead.
Guys, you're all very far away from me. Can somebody come and meet me, please? I think I'm on the other side of the camp, and I'm scared and alone.
I mean, you can see our names.
There's an ominous wind sound. I know, but I can't get to your guys' thing without going through the camp again.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Hey, guys. The vagina monster's following me.
Thank you.
Well, then, you know, Brandon, you've been voted off the island.
You're
There's
not
only
allowed
one way to kill
home.
a vagina monster.
Yeah.
Please.
You run away and go do whatever you got to do to satisfy your vagina monster.
Oh.
Something's wrong.
Okay.
Guys, it's getting dark.
Yeah, we gotta build that.
Yeah, I have like no stamina left.
Guys, we have a shelter.
Oh, where
Do
is
we
it?
have a campfire?
No, not yet.
That's why I went to the camp, so it's
Okay.
probably gonna follow me here.
Yeah, I was about to say, I heard something screaming bloody murder.
It's probably fine until it's not. Campfire. I need stick. No, that's just light. Anyway.
This is where we're staying? This is a terrible place to stay. Okay.
I mean, for right now, but we kind of need a place to stay.
Let's build a fire, guys. How do you build?
No!
Wait, it fell down.
Because of stupid log.
I can't see anything.
Hi.
Yep,
Yeah.
everything's dark. Which means we probably... Okay, equip a light
Got
by
my
pressing L. Yep. Ooh, it's all purpley.
Alternatively, you can take a stick and your lighter, and you'll make a torch. Or you need a cloth too.
Whoa! The where's she at? Hold on.
What happened? Why is it purple open here?
It's Brandon's lighter.
Oh.
I got really dark here all of a sudden.
Yeah, how do we build a fire, guys?
Should we just go to bed?
This is all over that.
Guys,
Stick.
does anybody else see the blue over there?
What does that mean?
Is that Kelvin?
Oh yeah, that's a
Kelvin!
Kelvin's blue.
Where's Kelvin?
Also,
Where's my buddy?
I think we need one of those for each of us, by the way.
I think so too.
Why are you reading in the dark, Joe?
I want to build a fire, man.
It looks really funny because you're just like
Kelvin!
flipping through a book in the dark.
I'm so sorry, Kelvin! No! I'm sorry, buddy!
What did you do?
I accidentally axed Kelvin.
Good direction.
And he looks so distraught.
I know. I'm so sorry, buddy. Hey,
Guys, I kind of got a crush on Kelvin.
I got
I
it.
don't
What are you
understand how to
going
build
to do?
in this game. I remember the last game, you just put down the blueprint and then it builds.
There you go. Left click, stick, and left click.
Build a fire, Kelvin.
Hey, don't worry, I got this.
Whoa!
Also, the grass is burning apparently.
You set everything on fire!
It's fine.
Also, the grass is burning there.
It's fine.
Like, the big head mode just makes it less scary. In my
Do the bad guys have big heads too?
yeah, they do.
What did the vagina monster have?
Oh, the vagina monster.
Oh, I'm gonna do the vagina. I mean, I guess he already does.
Wait, how do you build the fire, Brandon?
Calvin built fire.
You take out, hold the stick,
Oh.
and then you aim at the ground, and you'll see a thing where you can left click to put the stick on the ground.
We have another fire over here.
Yeah, Kelvin lit me on fire.
You guys, I got some meat on the. Let's cook, I just cooked. Eat some meat, guys.
Okay, more fire.
Okay, I have a
Oh,
torch.
fire?
Just take that.
Good job, Kelvin. Kelvin, take a break, buddy.
I am
Oh,
on fire.
Oops.
How do I?
Go in the water. Go in the water, man.
Where's the water?
Over here.
It's too dark.
Keep going, keep going. Just go straight. No, no, turn around. Don't come near me. Okay, you're not on fire anymore. You're good.
Oh, great.
I gonna go bed.
Okay, me too.
Kelvin's over here just chilling.
I know. I told him to take a break.
Okay, can we all sleep? Yeah, it says 2 out of 5. So come up to the
Sorry.
tent and hold Z.
Alright.
I had turned away from the tent, so it made me nod.
We really got to figure out the food situation, guys, because we are.
I'm fine. I
Yeah.
just had some meat. I just had some delicious cooked meat.
Hey,
Well,
someone needs to sleep.
yeah, Meg, you need to sleep.
I clicked it.
You got to stay. You got to stay looking at it.
Uh,
If you walk away, it undoes it. Okay.
Oh, I starving. And I very thirst.
I'm feeling pretty good.
So if we drink this water, what happens?
We'll get-
How do you drink it?
Just
I
hit
got-
E.
I found an energy drink. I'm gonna drink that. That's it. Basically.
Oh, hey, we have.
Oh, I messed
Yeah.
up. Yeah,
I need a
but
sloppy Joe.
we don't have any way to like get water.
Not yet.
Oh, we
It's
need
raining,
a. Yeah, if we had like the turtle shell, we can probably.
Right. How do I like? Is there a way to like cycle through? Nope.
Hey guys, we're make a log.
How do I get rid of my? How do I get rid of my torch? Like that. Never mind. We're good.
Yes, let us make a log cabin.
Does anyone else have a C4 brick?
Yep.
No.
Hey,
Okay.
Joe. Joe, will you go?
Whoa,
with me?
who's-
Get my backpack.
I need water.
Who's setting the blueprint for the log thing?
Me. Let's make a log cabin, guys. Cut down some trees.
Joe,
Yeah,
Yeah.
will you go with me to get my backpack, please?
where are you?
I'm right behind
Okay,
you.
let's go.
It's over here,
Let's go.
towards the camp.
Let's go. Don't use your stamina all out, because you need to use that to run away from stuff.
I don't think they're gonna be super aggressive to us unless we go to their base right now. It's really early game still.
We don't know.
Well, we killed the whole camp. I think they don't like us
We
anymore.
didn't kill the vagina monster, though, did we?
No, because we can't kill it. It's too strong.
Gotta
No.
leave a survivor.
No.
Follow a tree. Yeah.
My backpack is in camp, Joe, and there's more of them there.
We'll go in there and get it and run off.
Am I gonna die?
No, I just ran away.
Get it.
Hey, Kelvin. Hey buddy, how's it going?
Why do I pick it up so slowly?
You're fun, Meg. Come on, let's go.
Get logs and
He's not coming after you.
drop here. Great, Kelvin, you can do it.
We need water.
I'm thirsty and hungry.
You have a meal thing in your inventory, man. We'll get to the camp first. Oh, never mind.
You're coming down. Sorry, Kelvin. You okay,
Where
right?
did we get? Did other people drink?
I found an energy drink in the.
Oh, the
Ah,
rabbits
oh,
have big heads too. That's so funny. What the heck?
It's really funny.
I was wondering why the rabbits look like monsters. Like, oh, it's because it's got a big head.
How do I drink the pond water?
Eat.
I'm clicking E and nothing's happening.
You gotta go. Yeah, you gotta get
You gotta
down
hold
into it.
Unless it was a cute little house, guys. It's gonna be a little vacation
Put it
home.
in. How do I put
Are
the
we all
log?
gonna? Oh, this is gonna be a very little house.
How do you
I
put
can
the
knock it
log
down.
in there?
What is the
Just hold
2
walk up to it,
for?
press E.
G?
E.
Just toss it in there. It won't let me. Oh, never mind. What the heck? That's cool.
This is a very narrow log cabin, but that's
I
fine.
know. That's what I was saying.
We can build a second one.
We all gonna live in very close quarters.
It's gonna be really cute, guys. We're
We
gonna
got
have
it. We gotta huddle together for warmth. Whoa!
Yeah.
I don't know what that was all about.
Here I go.
Oh no!
What?
There is some kind of creature that can, like, teleport or jump around or something running around us right now.
No, no, no! Don't say that.
I just did.
No.
I
And-
don't know how to put the
Yeah.
wood onto
I
the
know, it
Take the
won't let
words
me.
back.
You
in
just-
your mouth.
yeah.
Just let me chop it more.
You go up, and once you pick it up, you go up to it, and then you should see, like, a list of, like, things on it, and you just hit E.
I see Kelvin anywhere. I need to talk to him. Kelvin.
He's down here grabbing logs.
Oh, I see
He's on his way back up.
Kelvin.
Okay, where is this thing?
Bill. Finish structure, please, Kelvin. You're doing a great job, but go actually build the structure instead of just farting around. Anyway, let's see. How do I build logs? Construction. With 16 sticks and 1 duct tape, we can make a stick bed.
Neat. Okay. Ooh, I have that. Hold on.
Utility drop path, stick path, green
Um,
catcher.
Good job, Kelvin.
I have that as well. I thought I did. No, that's this.
Grab.
This. And then I need, what, one more? One more. Alright, guys. I am going to designate myself as the hunter.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Because I just
How about
made a bow. So fight me over it.
Okay, to make floors, you need to take a log, split it horizontally, put 4 of them down to make a square.
Oh, that's a really tall tree.
It is.
Yeah.
Wow, this is very complicated.
I know.
Ah.
What is happening? Who's talking through a walkie-talkie or something?
I guess I am. I don't know how to turn it off.
you're
You
echoing
hit T.
crazy.
T?
T.
Okay, thank you so much. I didn't know how to turn that off.
Hmm.
I think you probably got enough logs. I think we need to make planks now.
Okay, I've got this. I need a stick.
I think these stumps are very unpleasant to look at.
Oh, that
I'm
was-
so sorry.
Did you chop Megan?
Callie chopped me. I'm low health and I need medicine. Is that because of what you did to me, Callie?
Yeah.
These are apparently not planks. What do I do with this?
This game is definitely different from the first one.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's the controls feel a little complicated and choppy, but
Come
I don't know
back,
how to make-
log.
I don't know how to make planks. We need more planks. That's what we're waiting on. Planks, and we need 8 more logs, apparently.
I'm bringing logs because
Somebody's just throwing logs into the house. Is that what you're doing,
that's
Bill?
Kelvin. That's Kelvin.
Oh.
I don't know
Look at
how to
them be.
build because it won't let me.
Kelvin knows what he's doing. We don't.
How do you
Yeah,
put-
Kelvin knows what he's doing. We have no idea what Kelvin's doing, but Kelvin knows what he's doing.
Yeah,
We need to
basically.
respect Kelvin.
Hey,
Okay.
nobody was disrespecting him. I was just saying we have no idea what he's doing.
Oh, what am I doing? Why is this
I wouldn't
box-
dream of
Oh.
disrespecting Kelvin. Kelvin's gonna be like the strongest link of this team.
That's not a lie.
So far, that's true because he built our shelter.
Oh, look at that!
Okay, stick plus rock.
And then I need boom, boom.
Guys, I was today years old when I learned how to just hold right click or hold left click to
Okay, so how many?
two-handed hit something.
Yeah,
Okay, now with
that's
that,
correct.
I need to take this.
I'm so sorry.
This.
I
Hey
need.
guys, I'm making a fire pit. Like the right way.
Neat. I need another stick.
I have sticks.
I could use sticks.
I got lots of sticks. Where are you at? Where you are?
Yeah.
How give stick?
That's a good question actually. How do you?
Equipped stick
Yep, and then you just drop it.
and then G.
Thanks.
Yeah.
That's the only one I needed. I just needed
Okay,
one.
cool.
Keep playing.
I'll go better with you then.
It's okay if you want to keep playing.
It's okay.
Okay.
We'll play another time. Again. Yes.
You should
What's
let them.
Okay. Okay.
We are going to sleep first, guys.
Joe,
Okay.
Joe and I are gonna log off first, but you guys are welcome to
Wait, let me save the game.
continue building this
I'm gonna save.
beautiful home and do everything else.
Okay.
Hey, save the game before you're done.
I don't know how to do that.
Go to the tent. Right by the log cabin. Oh, did I destroy it by jumping on it?
Yep.
Oh no!
That is
Now
so
it's just a black
hard.
thing.
Wait.
You can build it back up.
How do we build it?
You go to the corner
Okay.
and you left click.
Hey guys.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Hey guys. Does anybody have a skin pouch in their inventory?
I'm sorry. Hey, what?
A
What?
skin pouch?
How did I build it?
You know,
Okay,
about
this
you
is
can.
fine.
No,
Oh,
I
why
think
do
we
I
have
have
to. I think
that?
we have to. What?
Ew.
Well, anyway, you can open that and it has items inside of it. So go
no,
ahead
it
and do that.
doesn't.
What?
Dude,
Oh, I
That's-
hate
A
this.
skin pouch.
Where's that at?
In
in
your
inventory.
bag.
In what bag?
Oh, what the? How do I open it?
Oh,
How do I open the skin pouch?
You press that.
click on
You
it.
press that gear.
guys.
Uh,
Oh,
That
it's
was
equipped with a
gross.
zipper.
nice.
Okay, apparently we need to figure out how to make planks. I don't know how to do it.
Well, if you want to keep playing, I'll just sit. I just don't.
Whoa! I have a hoodie and a blazer and a tactical jacket.
I'm wearing a blazer right now.
You found all that?
It's yeah. I don't know how to wear it, but it's there. Man, this I don't have a skin thing like you guys were talking about, but
No, it's okay. You don't have to. I just found one.
How do we make?
Yeah, we gotta figure out how to make planks.
I'm working on it. I'm staring at a log. Me and this log are gonna duel it
Yeah.
out.
Talk it out.
Yeah. Okay. So I have a half. Is this a plank?
What's
I-
one of
I-
these rock
It
pillars?
didn't work for me when I tried it. Oh, now it does work. Okay, you apparently have to have all the outside done before you can make planks. Okay, to make planks, you have to lay a log down, and then split it horizontally or longitudinally.
Guys, I'm thirsty.
It won't let me build. I haven't been able to build at all.
You have to make planks. We're waiting on planks.
Yeah, I have it like, don't I? This thing on the ground right here.
I doubt it. I don't know. Take a log and cut it down lengthwise, and that makes plank.
I got some skulls. I got some bones.
I definitely had a plank, but it's still really money. So, oh, what the heck did I do? Why did I do that?
what happened?
I don't know. The building mechanic is like all wonky for me.
Just press E.
Won't let me.
Okay, press E. Does it not work for you?
What? I'm pressing E. It just makes me toss it.
Did you hold E or did you press
Oh.
E?
I just pressed it. I didn't know. Hold it.
I have a house. I'm in a door.
Okay. I think we're good now, huh?
I think this is it.
Oh,
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
logging on now. Look at this guy.
I love
Chill.
Kelvin.
Kelvin's the homie. Let me tell you.
All right, guys. Thanks for building my house.
You can leave now?
You can all leave. I am safe indoors.
Actually, you're not right now. You can unlock that house.
I what?
You actually are
Oh.
not safe because you have not locked that house.
Oh.
I am in the house now.
Here, shut the door, Callie, please. Okay, thank you.
It is shut.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I'm very thirsty.
Okie doke.
Sounds good.
All right, well then, I guess we will see you guys, or I guess talk to you guys on Wednesday.
Yep.
Alright. Toodaloo.
Nice.
Bye!
Bye.
Thanks, they're gone already. Bye, guys. Okay, I'm making a fire stack.
Okay, I'm hunting at the moment.
I'm trying to get water.
Just go ahead and go drink from the pond. It didn't do anything to me.
I am. I'm going.
Also, be thirsty.
Hello? Water? I would like
You
to
know-
drink.
It's just my guy just herped when I took a drink of water, so I don't think he likes it very much.
No, they don't.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is terrifying. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, I get hurt a little bit whenever I do that. What's going on, Brandon?
I have bushes that are just like straight up exploding.
Nice.
Why?
Because of, I think, whatever that invisible thing is that's running around.
I have seen no such thing. Are you sure? It might just be a glitch? Bug?
Maybe, but like they are. Oh, hello, bird. Goodbye, bird. It might be, but yeah, it's like it's crazy because like bushes and stuff just start like uprooting themselves out of the ground.
Hey, Callie, we need to collect some sticks. We need to make some beds.
Okay. I'm good at that.
Murder some shrubs.
I will. Don't worry about it.
I think we need 16 sticks per person and 1 duct tape.
Per person?
Yeah.
How dare they be so needy?
You mean us? Ourselves? Be so needy?
No,
Oh, okay.
never. I'm not needy. Right, Brandon?
I will make no comment.
This says real. Would you love me if I was a worm? Energy right here.
Yeah.
Eh.
The answer's no, because I'm a worm.
Okay. Dang, this bow doesn't go very far, but I guess that makes sense because it's made out of sticks and tape.
Yeah.
Okay.
Through a boulder. Blueberries!
Yeah, blueberries you can eat. I've eaten some.
We have a blueberry bush near our house.
Cut it down.
No. That's food.
Yeah. Sloppy Joe. Delicious. Sloppy
I
Joe's
know,
really good.
right? Where's my stick? There's my stick.
Whoa, I found a bunch of graves.
Whoa. Brandon, are you gonna accidentally like further the story without us?
No, no, I'm still staying around the area. I'm just looking for things to hunt.
Yeah, because food's gonna become a problem.
I got firewood on lockdown.
What is
Yeah,
that?
it's called Tell Kelvin to get us firewood.
I've actually got quite a bit of firewood going. I think they sped up the tree cutting down animation a little bit, because I remember it taking forever in the first game.
I wouldn't know.
Oh.
That's a very tall
What's
tree.
this over here?
I keep
What
jumping
the
up
heck?
because it sounds like the dogs are doing something, but it's the fireworks outside. Whoa!
The dogs are supposed to be the ones that'll jump you from fireworks, right? Not people.
Did I get him? I didn't get him.
Huh?
Yeah, our dogs do not care about the fireworks right now.
Okay. Alright, that's a dead deer.
Yay! I am also hunter.
Oh, do you have a bow?
No. I'm chasing down a squirrel.
Alright.
I'm afraid we can
Lost?
only be able to put one bed in each cabin. I was able to fit one bed in here. I don't think I can fit another one.
What?
So that's kind of a problem.
We'll create our own little village.
Right next to theirs.
Pretty much. It's a power move. We're just taking over their land and their resources.
That's right. We're being true Americans.
Oh, gosh.
It can't be. Hey, Callie, I'm putting a stick storage behind, right here.
Let me just catch myself on fire real quick.
Good idea.
I'm still on fire.
Oh, gosh. Okay, I lied. Drinking the pond water can definitely do some damage.
Yeah, it drains your health.
I need a bird to land somewhere so I can shoot it. I
I
need more
killed it.
feathers. I need more feathers.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, I have feathers. Hold on.
Oh my gosh, there's a cannibal drinking water
Kill it!
next to our pond.
Kill it.
It's running away from me.
Yeah, it's
I'm
okay.
gonna stab it in the butthole.
Okay.
We're probably using the same,
Water source.
yeah.
That's straight up just Golem.
I know.
Dang it.
I need to find a turtle. So we make it like a water
We
tank.
do. Like, we would need to go back over to, like, the main body of water,
I lost
though.
him.
That's okay, he's probably just from the little town over there.
Yeah, he is.
Big rocks are for.
My
Huh?
stick is all bloodied.
Oh, you can make a fireplace out of rocks.
Oh, hey!
Okay.
The three-legged lady.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, she's over here.
She just goofing around.
She's slowly walking up to me.
No, no, no.
And now
wait,
she's
wait,
scared. Now she's scared of me
Wait,
and running
not
away.
back here. She's one of the people we're looking for. I remember
Right.
this.
Right.
Wait, I'm sorry. What?
One of the people that we're looking for is the three-legged lady.
Why?
They mutated her.
Right, yeah, it's probably something to do with the Puftons or whatever.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I remember reading that the lady you find at the beginning of the game is not hostile. She's actually one of the people you're looking for. Don't kill her.
Right. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't planning on killing her.
And that was more of like I'm just like saying.
I don't
that-
think we
that's not-
can.
Here you go. I'm going to put something on here. Oh,
Okay.
are you putting something on there?
I have no food.
Here you go. Once that cooks, you can go ahead and grab that.
Okay. I'll wait.
Are you making a stone house?
Yeah, I figured I'd see if I can make something out of this. I realized after I started doing it, I can't move them. That what I was like what actually what I was doing, and so I wasted like 2 of the pillars.
You can move them. I just don't remember how.
I think if you actually make a structure out of them, they're there, and until you like knock them down, which I don't know how to do.
Let me
Just
let me
speed it
double
up.
check.
But apparently, I can't take these down either. Oops, I thought I was just stacking rocks.
know when the food is
Dismantle.
done?
Dismantle is C.
I didn't
Yeah,
have
so-
the seed from.
You take.
I guess that
Oh.
was done.
Yeah.
Okay, well, actually, don't knock those down. We're actually building on this side.
Yeah. I was taking this side down. Okay, so where
We're trying to build there.
okay. Yeah, the hotkeys for everything are real weird in this game.
Oh, that's so. I have food.
What'd you
Yeah.
do?
Apparently, there was something in the trap.
Hey, good job.
Oh, and you just took it out and ate it?
Yeah, it was a squirrel. Oh, I don't want it. Oh, why do I have a squirrel head in my hand?
Just
Cook it.
just hit G and drop it.
I don't want that. I found a road.
Nice.
And the 3-legged lady.
She's just hanging out, chilling.
Yeah,
Small
yeah.
cool.
She just
She's walking up to me.
I think part of it is like we're supposed to like try and follow her, and then she might lead us to like a cave or something.
Alright, we'll do.
Hey,
I
I'm
won't.
making armor.
I'm just gonna follow this road. Oh, I found the lady again.
That's what I have.
Okay.
Interesting.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, so we're pretty far inland, so I'm gonna go to the water and see if I can.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Sorry, I passed the lady.
Everything on command.
And then see if maybe down here I can find a turtle and get their shell.
Okay. I'm doing some work on building stuff.
We'll take. Also, Callie, you know how to bring up your GPS, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just so that you can, get back whenever you are
I'm
ready.
just following a road.
I'm here to be stuck. Okay.
I found a tent. And it has music playing.
Oh, there's a boat out here.
Kinda sketchy.
I really don't want to progress the story too far. Oh, that's just a dude chilling.
Is there a friendly dude?
I don't know.
Alright, cool.
Where?
I'm kinda scared to come up to him.
Where?
Like
Over by Cali. Let's all go over there.
where I am.
Where are
No, hold
you?
on. I need to eat. Let me eat some food and have me a little sippy sip, and I'll be over there.
I'm like I'm up, Brandon. Up the hill. I don't know if the guy's dead or not. He doesn't look dead.
Alright, hold
I'm
on.
coming.
Let's all meet up just in case you had to fight.
I got my knife out. Right there.
Kelly, you should
Oh,
make a-
he's definitely dead.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's very
Kelly,
much dead.
you should also make a spear, by the way.
Oh, I have a spear.
You should use that instead of a knife.
I like my knife.
It's
My
a-
knife makes me feel safe. I
It
have
is
printer
a-
resin
Interesting.
and $4. Ramen.
Yo! This is a much better place for us to have our base.
Yo, is this supposed to be a poop bucket? I think it's supposed to be a poop bucket.
Ooh, more vodka.
Got some vodka?
I got some vodka. I got 2 bottles of vodka. We gon' party.
You could probably use that to make,
Molotov? Yeah.
yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, Kelly, make sure you come down to the water here, too, with Brandon. There is lootables down here. I found some more tarps.
Ooh.
I have all the tarps I can carry. I found so many tarps.
I don't know if they'll be there for everybody, but there's also, I think, binoculars on that boat that you're next to, or that canoe.
There is.
A light bulb.
Ooh, I found a camouflage suit. I'll wear that.
Energy drink. So many tarps.
Arrow. Some Raymonds. Oh.
Camouflage suit. That's fun.
The hoodie is better in heat
I
than
can't
lounging.
get the champagne.
I don't know. I don't really know where to go necessarily. Oh, look, there's one right there.
I have one too.
That's, I think, the same one that I saw. Oh, no, there's a couple over there. Wow.
Let me try and kill them.
Oh, these are different turtles. This is probably where we actually get the... These are the turtles we probably actually get the turtle shells from. Yep. Yep. Because this one is much, much bigger. Ugh. Ugh. I didn't want that. I don't want that. Okay. Okay, so I have a shell. And then you guys are also getting your shells. Oh, hey, look, there's Kelvin.
He's hanging out with us because he's not busy doing nothing. Oh yeah, turtle shell. Leo. Take that meat. Take that meat.
It's so gross.
Brian, you left meat in the turtle, by the way.
Huh? I didn't.
There's meat in the turtle I found over here. That was left over here.
Oh, then it must have glitched out because I grabbed both of them.
Oh, I didn't want to eat it.
You just hit E. You don't hold E if you want to gather the food.
Ugh.
I do want to eat it.
I did not.
It has more nutritional value if you cook it.
I think you could potentially get sick if you eat uncooked food too.
Yeah.
Ugh. I am unhappy with my choices.
Callie, this turtle has eggs inside of her. You're a monster.
I know.
A lot of the
Listen.
turtles had eggs still. I thought that was just like a part of the like model.
It is.
Never mind.
I don't know how I feel about my axe though being covered in blood now.
The end of my stick has blood.
Okay, so I'm gonna head back up towards camp.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm about to go that way too.
Yeah, the three-legged lady, she's just kind of hanging around our camp.
That's fine. She can hang out.
Yeah.